In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish website from Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, describe the site you want, preview it, publish it, and share the live link with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable. Click through to the official site and make sure you see a secure connection in the address bar. On the home page, choose Login. When the sign-in options appear, click Continue with email. Enter your email address, then click Continue. Next, type your password and click Login to access your dashboard. If you're prompted for any verification, just follow the on-screen instructions so you can proceed securely. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the kind of website you want. Be as clear and specific as possible so the builder can generate a layout and content that match your needs. For example, you might write, "Create a clean personal website with my name, photo, and contact section." You can mention the purpose of the site, the vibe you're going for, and the key sections you need. When your description looks good, click Send. Give the tool a moment to generate your site. When it's ready, use the built-in preview option to see how everything looks. Scan through the pages, check headings, paragraphs, and images, and make sure navigation links work. If your preview offers device views, look at both desktop and mobile to catch any layout issues early. As you adjust content, keep previewing to confirm the changes look right. Read your text out loud for clarity, replace any placeholder images or text, and confirm your contact section is clearly labeled and easy to use. This second pass in preview mode helps you catch small issues like spacing, typos, and inconsistent styles before you go live. When you're satisfied with your edits and checks, click Publish. This will push your site to a live URL that you can share. Remember, if you make additional changes later, you may need to publish again to update the live version. To verify everything is working, click Copy Link, open a new tab, and paste the link to see your site in action. It's a good idea to test the link in a private or incognito window too, just to make sure everything loads correctly without cached files. That's it. Search for Lovable, log in, describe your site, send, preview carefully, publish, and then copy your link to share. You're ready to go live.